9Proxy is currently unavailable, and many users are looking for a replacement that they can start using immediately. But choosing the first cheap proxy service you find can create even more problems. Unstable sessions, unsuitable locations, wasted traffic, or IP addresses that do not work with your tools. In this video, we will look at 3 practical 9Proxy alternatives: 711Proxy, CliProxy, and NovaProxy. I will explain how they are different, who each option is best for, and what you should test before purchasing a larger package. Important clarification: this is not a claim that one provider is perfect for every user. Proxy performance depends on your country, target websites, software, required session length, and the type of proxy you need. The goal of this video is to give you 3 options that use different pricing models and product formats. Start with a small package, test the proxies on your own workflow, and only then decide whether the provider is suitable for a larger purchase. Now, let us start with the option that is probably the closest replacement for many former 9Proxy users. The first option is 711Proxy. What makes 711Proxy interesting is that it provides 2 different residential proxy formats. The first is a traffic-based product, where you purchase a specific amount of bandwidth. The second is an IP-based residential product, designed for users who want individual IP addresses and longer sessions. This makes 711Proxy suitable for different workflows. You do not have to force every task into the same pricing model. You can choose the option based on whether traffic consumption or IP stability is more important for your project. 711. Proxy GB is the traffic-based option. It is more suitable for tasks where IP rotation, geographic coverage, and flexible traffic usage are more important than keeping one address for a very long time. For example, it may be useful for public data collection, localized website testing, price monitoring, advertising verification, and market research. You pay for the traffic you use, so it is important to understand how much data your software consumes. Media-heavy websites and repeated requests can use bandwidth much faster than simple browser or API tasks. 711. Proxy IPs are more relevant when you need a residential address that remains assigned for a longer period. This may be useful for workflows that require stable sessions, predictable authentication, or repeated access from the same location. The important difference is simple. Choose the GB option when you need traffic and rotation. Choose the IP-based option when you care more about individual addresses and session consistency. Before purchasing, check the available countries, validity period, renewal conditions, supported protocols, and whether the IP works correctly with your software. The second alternative is CliProxy. CliProxy offers several residential proxy formats, including short-term IPs, longer-term static addresses, traffic-based options, and unlimited residential plans. This gives users more flexibility, but it also means that you need to select the correct product before ordering. Do not choose a plan only because the headline price looks inexpensive. First, decide whether you need rotating traffic, a fixed residential address, a short testing period, or a longer package for continuous work. The dashboard also allows users to configure and generate proxies for their selected product. Who should consider CliProxy? CliProxy may be worth testing if you want several package formats from one provider, or need a short-term option before making a larger commitment. It can also be useful when you want to compare traffic-based residential proxies with individually purchased IP addresses. During testing, pay attention to the countries you actually need: connection success, IP reputation, supported authentication methods, and session duration. A large advertised proxy pool does not guarantee that every location will perform equally well for your specific websites. Always test the real workflow, not only an IP checking website. The third alternative is NovaProxy. NovaProxy has a broader product range that includes residential, mobile, ISP, and data center proxies. For this video, the main focus is its residential product. One of the useful points is the availability of geographic targeting, including country, state, and city, options for supported locations. This can be relevant for users who need localized testing or data from a particular region. NovaProxy may also be convenient when you expect to use different proxy types later and prefer to manage them through one provider. NovaProxy is worth considering when location targeting and product variety are important. For example, you may begin with rotating residential traffic and later need static ISP, mobile, or data center proxies for another project. Before purchasing, check whether your required location is available and whether city-level targeting is included in the selected package. You should also test speed, session persistence, concurrent connections, traffic expiration, and compatibility with your browser or automation software. Do not rely only on the advertised price. Successful connections matter more than the lowest cost per gigabyte. Here is the simplest comparison. Choose 9Proxy when you want a clear choice between traffic-based residential proxies and individual residential IPs. Consider CliProxy when you want flexible package durations and several residential product formats. Consider NovaProxy when you want detailed geographic targeting or may need several different proxy categories from one provider. There is no single winner for every use case. The best option is the one that works reliably with your target websites, required countries, software, and expected traffic consumption. Whichever provider you choose, begin with the smallest reasonable package. Test the actual country and city you need. Check whether the IP location is detected correctly. Measure connection speed and success rate. Test both rotating and sticky sessions when available. Confirm that HTTP, HTTPS, or SOX5 works with your software. Monitor how quickly traffic is consumed, and most importantly, test the proxies on the same websites and applications that you plan to use in your normal workflow. A 5-minute IP check is not enough for a proper evaluation. If you need a replacement while 9Proxy is unavailable, these 3 services provide different approaches. 7.1.1. Proxy offers both traffic-based residential proxies and individual residential IPs. CliProxy provides flexible residential packages with different durations and pricing formats. NovaProxy combines residential proxies with broader geographic targeting and several additional proxy categories. You can compare the available packages through Proxy Universe. Start small, test everything carefully, and avoid moving your entire workflow to a new provider before confirming that it performs reliably for your specific requirements. Subscribe for more proxy comparisons, setup guides, and service updates.